Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank in 2025. With digital payments evolving rapidly, this process is quicker and more secure than ever, making it easier for you to manage your finances. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid or just moving funds around, let's dive right in. First, ensure you're logged into your PayPal account on a secure device. If you haven't already, head to the PayPal website or app and sign in with your credentials. In 2025, you might notice enhanced features like facial recognition for login. It's all about keeping your info safe. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet or Balance section. This is where you'll see your available funds. Look for the Transfer to Bank or Withdraw option, which is prominently displayed for easy access. Next, select your linked bank account. If it's not linked yet, click on Add Bank Account and enter your bank's routing number and account details. PayPal will verify this through a small test transaction, which usually takes just a day or two. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be precise. Double-check the figure to avoid any errors. You'll also see any potential fees. For standard transfers, it's often free, but instant options might cost a bit. Review all the details on the confirmation page, including the estimated arrival time. In 2025, transfers could be even faster with new banking integrations. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you're set. The funds should appear in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days for standard transfers. Remember, always monitor your accounts for security, and if you encounter any issues, reach out to PayPal's 24/7 support. That's it for this quick tutorial. Managing your money has never been simpler. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.